The Bangladesh High Commissioner to India, Ambassador M. Riaz Hamidullah, arrived in Agartala on Wednesday. Upon his arrival at the Agartala Railway Station, he was received with warm diplomatic protocol. The envoy's visit to Tripura is considered highly significant for strengthening the bilateral and trade relations between Northeast India and Bangladesh. According to official sources, the High Commissioner is scheduled to attend the destination Tripura event and hold high-level meetings with state authorities to discuss regional connectivity, cross-border trade and mutual cooperation. Reporter from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.